What you're saying, guys, it's Reece and Race Planet, and I've bought a new car. Race Planet has a new whip. Stay tuned to find out what it is. Sound. So I brought a new car, but before I reveal it, I'm gonna make you a deal. We need to make a deal, yeah? If you think this car is epic, you gotta hit the like button and subscribe. If you don't think it's epic, leave in the comments why. Is that a deal? All right, sound, let's reveal it. Race Planet's new car, the Subaru Impreza 22R, built by Scooby Clinic with a full 22B body kit. Scooby Clinic built a few of these cars. This is car number 2. It's got a 2.5 fully forged closed deck engine, upgraded gearbox, SC46 turbo, Cyvex, plenty more goodies. This car is unreal and it's one of my dream cars. So let's look at it together. What are you saying? Sound. Yeah, I will be doing a fully in-depth review of this car. Inside footage, telling you what it drives like, how much power it's got, all the info. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. Loads of content coming in this car, so if you like this car, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Race Planet's back in town. So make sure you subscribe for more of this.